Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up QuickBooks for your small business. First, select the QuickBooks version that best suits your company's size and needs, whether it's online, desktop, or self-employed. Next, create your company file and input essential details like your business name, address, and tax ID. Finally, connect your bank and credit card accounts to enable automatic transaction imports, saving you significant time on data entry. Once your basic setup is complete, it's time to customize your chart of accounts. This is crucial for accurately categorizing your income and expenses, giving you clear financial insights. Then, add all the products and services your business sells, including their prices, so you can easily create invoices. Don't forget to configure any sales tax rates if your business is required to collect sales tax from customers. Now let's populate your QuickBooks with important contacts. Enter all your customer information, including contact details and payment terms, to streamline invoicing and payment collection. Similarly, add your vendors to easily track bills and manage your payables. Finally, begin recording your daily transactions, such as creating invoices for sales, entering bills from vendors, and logging sales receipts to keep your books up to date. With your data entered, you can now leverage QuickBooks for powerful insights. Regularly run financial reports like profit and loss statements or balance sheets to understand your business's health. Make sure to reconcile your bank and credit card accounts monthly. This ensures all transactions are accounted for and your books are accurate. For more great deals and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.